Bill Goudy checking in. Houston, we have a problem. Obviously, a major oil leak. I looked it up on the internet. I'll put a link to the guy. I watched his video. I think he had a Tahoe, and I think he was in South Dakota or somewhere over there, and it was cold, just like it is here. It's in the 40s, leaking oil out of the old Chevy 2500. It's a 7.2 liter, I do believe, 454, and yeah, it's leaking oil bad. Let's fix it, shall we? I gotta make a tool. Here's the culprit right here. The O-rings, real hard, real brittle, and there's a chunk missing out of it. That's what caused that major. Now I got to go see if I can find a O-ring that big. These are the caps, and they're smaller than 3/8. And I took that's a quarter adapter that went to 3/8, and I ground it down, and you can see it just fits. I don't know what, I'll measure that for you so you can just make one ahead of time. I went to AutoZone. They didn't have the part. They didn't have that. They didn't have a square stock to fit into that. The guy wasn't very helpful. That measures 5/16, 0.3125 approximately. So if you wanted to make you a part like that, I just cut down this was a 1/4 inch drive to 3/8 drive. I just grinded that down to 5/16, and that just fit right in there. I don't know if I don't think they make a 5/16. We might be able to get some square stock 5/16. That'd work. Then underneath that cap, you're going to find a Torx. Let's see, T40 is what the size it is. There's two of those caps, and underneath those caps are those Torx that fit right in here and hold it on. But if that gasket's no good, no oil seal, that's for sure. I'm hoping this is the fix. $8.05. And this is the old gasket. Yeah, a big chunk missing out of it. And here's the new gasket. It's so much more pliable. It's much better. But this is the kit. You get the whole kit, and I only need that. $8 just for that piece. They didn't have anything else. Oh well, let's see if it works. I'm trying to show you where this goes. This is the front drive shaft, and just above that front drive shaft is where the oil filter fits. But this adapter fits on there because the oil filter would fit down into this drive shaft. That's why you have to have that offset in there. Showing high oil pressure. I don't know if that's normal or not. It's not leaking. I'm not sure what's going on with that oil pressure. it's warming up now. We're just under about 200 degrees, and it's down to 40 pounds of pressure, and it was up to almost 80. So when it was cold, when I had turned this to turn the key on, there wasn't showing any pressure at all. So I don't know if it's the oil pressure sensor or if it really is pumping a lot of pressure. But it's not smoking or anything, and it sounds like it's running good. Okay, I'm all warmed up. I've shut it off. I'm going to turn on the key. The oil pressure goes to 0 like it's supposed to. Start it up, and now that we're at temperature, we're at 210 degrees. We're at 40, just under 40 pounds of pressure on the oil. I guess that's normal. I'm idling at about 950, and when I put it in gear, it drops down just a little bit, and the oil pressure drops down just a little bit. What are we talking? 5, 7, it's about 800, I suppose. And it rolls. I'd like to turn that idle down. You know how to do that on a 1995 454 Chevy. If it's easy, I'll do it. Otherwise, I'll take it somewhere and have it done. My anti-lock brake is not working according to the programmer. It's a return line on this left front wheel. I need to look into that. But listen, I gotta go. I got several other projects to do. It's supposed to rain tonight. No rest. There is no rest. Thank you for watching. Bill Goudy out.